Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to wow your audience? I'll show you how to animate your product demos in Canva. Click the Create button to get started. In the list of options, choose Products to access your product-related tools and features. From here, you can select Product Presentation to begin creating a new product showcase. This section allows you to present your products in an organized and visually appealing way, making it easy for viewers to understand what you offer and engage with your catalog. Select a template from the list, then click the Apply All button to apply this template to all items. This updates your selections with the chosen template instantly. Next, adjust the size by entering new values or dragging the handle here to achieve your preferred dimensions easily. You can also check this animation to see the effect applied to your object. There's currently no animation applied. To add one, click on the text element, then select and apply the animation named Me from the animation options. Select the desired option here. You can also add an additional item if needed by clicking the Add button. This allows you to customize your selection based on your preferences. To add transitions, select your slide and choose a transition style. You can customize the direction by selecting your preferred option from the list. To adjust how long the transition takes, increase the duration setting. A longer duration will make the transition appear slower. Use these settings to control the look and feel of your slide transitions. You can apply this to all the slides. For example, if you want to add a limit, simply enter the value here. Repeat these steps for each slide where you need to set a specific limit. To finish creating your text, select the area where you want your text to appear and enter your content. Once you've added your text, confirm that everything looks correct. Then, press the play button to preview how your text appears in the project. This lets you see exactly what your finished result will look like in real time. To edit this part, first select it, then click the Edit button. If you want to remove the path, simply press the Delete key. After deleting, you can move the item again as needed. Use these steps to quickly modify and reposition your selection. Click Done after reviewing your designs and animations to save your work and continue to the next step. Click the Share button, then select the Download option. Choose your preferred file type. You can pick PDF Standard for documents, PowerPoint if you need slides, or MP4 if you want to download your project as a video. You've learned how to animate product demos using Canva. Give this video a like, and hit subscribe for more creative tips.